Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete Yahoo account permanently. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail app. Once you do that, the next thing is, how can you download the Yahoo Mail app? Now, you can get the app on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar, and in the search bar, type Yahoo Mail. Now follow through the on-screen instructions to install, and after installing, it's going to take you to the sign-up page for Yahoo Mail, where you'll be required to log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account, whichever one you choose. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to delete Yahoo account permanently. Before you go ahead and delete your email account, ask yourself if your decision is final. When you permanently delete your Yahoo email account, you lose all your messages forever. So once you've considered all of those options and you really want to delete your account, this is what you should do. The first thing that you like to do is to head over to the Yahoo account termination page, then type in your email address and click next, then type in your password and click next. And of course, read through the terms and conditions, and then proceed with the continue delete my account option. So let's go ahead and click on that. So I'm going to sign in now. So here we are. Okay, so I have signed in, and it says, before continuing, please consider the following information. So you have all of this information to read, and after reading, if you really want to continue with deleting your account, go ahead and click on continue delete my account button, and that's just going to be it. Your account will be deleted permanently. Now I can go over the story from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.